Hello. You will see here that my chosen program was OneDrive with Microsoft, since I use Microsoft Office and everything else all the time. So here's my OneDrive, and I specifically have a folder for this class, 270. Here you see I have a few docs in here, and say I want to add something new inside of it, maybe a Word doc. I can click on that and create a new something to add to it, and then I can name it whatever. And then if you go back here, you will see that it is now in. Say I would like to share this with someone. You can do that in several ways, by sending it over email, or just copy the link of the folder, whatever you want to send, and then send that to them. So yes, thank you for watching.